Welcome back, and it's now time for the health report. Are you concerned about wrinkles on your body? Well, one dermatologist will tell you how to avoid this. Here's Shamela Pullen.
Wrinkles are a natural part of aging. They're seen mainly on one's face, neck, hands, and forearms. The older a person gets, depending on racial background and skin type, he or she is likely to have issues with wrinkles.
Essentially what happens is that the lighter you are, your elastin and collagen levels, so these are the proteins that make up the components, the solid part of the skin, basically, to make it firm and smooth and nice. They get a lot less as you get older. The darker you are, the more likely to have coarsening of the skin and look a little bit what we call tough, as you get older.
Wrinkles are caused by a combination of factors. Dr. Muir Green says the environment in which persons live is a crucial component of how they age. Lifestyle also has a major effect on the skin's tendency to wrinkle.
Things that we do normally, like drinking a lot of alcohol, especially those who are alcoholics, they are not eating a lot of properly, and so they're not getting the nutrients that they need to keep the skin nice and healthy. Those who smoke a lot, the whole action of smoking, vaping, where you're putting the thing into your mouth, that causes a lot of wrinkles around the mouth, which we call rhytides, and it causes a lot of issues. And it also, smoking dries out the skin and actually reduces the amount of blood flow into the skin. Persons who don't wear sunscreen can also have problems.
In the past, persons would do facelift procedures for addressing wrinkles. But Dr. Muir Green says more options are now available that are less invasive.
We can do fillers for the deep wrinkles, and those are hyaluronic acid fillers. We can have Botox and other toxins, which when injected relax the muscles so you have very little movement of the skin when we're actually speaking and making facial expressions. We can also use platelet-rich plasma, which is where we take out your blood, spin it down, and take out the platelets, inject that back into skin, sometimes called a vampire facial. We can also do microneedling.
Persons can also use over-the-counter products. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.